Most of us face a lot of flexibility issues in our neck and shoulder region, and that is generally because of sitting in one position constantly while working or doing other activities. But if you don't pay attention to these minor conditions and issues, they might also lead to more serious conditions in the future. So to get rid of neck and shoulder pain, here are some simple micro poses which you can practice in the comfort of your home and get the best results in a few weeks. For the first pose, sit with your back straight. And start with moving your neck gradually forward and backward. Repeat this exercise 8 to 10 times. For the second exercise, rotate your neck clockwise and then in the anti-clockwise direction. Keep your movement slow. Repeat this about 5 times in each direction. In the third exercise, make a fist. Keep your thumb on the shoulder. Now bend your arms and start rotating your hands starting from inside to outside. Now repeat the process again in the opposite direction, taking the hands from the outside to inside. For our fourth micro exercise, begin with sitting straight. Now look in front and gradually bend your neck towards one side and touch your shoulder with your earlobe. Repeat the same step from the other side. Remember not to push yourself too hard to touch your shoulder. The flexibility and perfection will come with time. 5 to 10 rounds of this exercise would be enough for one session. In the fifth exercise, sit straight and turn your neck towards your back. Repeat this for both sides 10 times each. And make sure you are not moving your body along with your neck. Try these micro exercises for enhanced flexibility of your neck and shoulder. Further, these will also help you cure your neck and shoulder pain and will help you get rid of it permanently with regular practice while reducing the stiffness in muscles. However, if the pain increases or remains persistent, then do consult your physician and get the right treatment to solve this problem. Try these exercises and share your feedback with us. Follow and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos on yoga.